Shinda leo nipate TV ya leo. Nashukuru Mungu. Sasa nimekuwa mkimbiaji original. Nitaenda kutazamia yale yote inaendelea katika wanariadha yote katika world. Wakikimbia pia nami nakimbia. Wakikimbia pia nami napika makoti kumuinua katika Mwenyezi Mungu. Na nawashukuru sana wale walijitolea kunipa macho ya kutazamia nchi. Wacha Mungu awabariki. Wacha Mungu awapiganie. Wacha Mungu awafunuke na damu yake na wasindanie.
Her story is quite moving, and as LG we are very emotionally connected to our consumers. So when we saw this story, and I would like to commend the journalist who brought it out. That's Jared, I think Jared Nyataya from Nation Media. It was very motivating for us when we saw how passionate Pastor Elizabeth was. But what was even more compelling for us is that she didn't even know, and she never even gets to see who wins, but she's very passionate about athletics. I also got to learn that personally she's been an athlete before, or she used to perform until national level. So we can see she has a lot of passion. And I was touched to see that there was a group of journalists who are trying to fundraise to get her a TV so that she can be able to be watching the winners.
Decided this time, this is our first SR activity in partnership with our sponsor LG. This is to reward, basically to give back to the community and also to showcase the philanthropic nature of LG. So congratulations, Pastor Jepchirchir.